Today I want to tell you about top 5 favorite food of my parents. It is already a long time that I have 2 Alexandrian and 4 Indian ringneck parrots, and I have already seen which kind of food they like more. Their food I separated in 3 groups: seeds and nuts, fresh fruit and vegetable, dry food and vegetable. Let's begin from the first group, nuts and seeds. We will see together the top 5 of seeds and nuts that my parents like more. So, the 5th place in my list is popcorn, number 5. Walnuts, number 4. Peanuts, number 3. Pumpkin seeds, number 2. And the winner in this list is sunflower, the sunflower seeds. My parents like sunflower seeds too much. They cannot live without sunflower seeds. So, you have seen the top 5 of seeds and nuts. My next group is fresh fruit and vegetables. And on the 5th place is lemon. In lemon there are vitamin C and B6.
You think it's funny? No. Why don't you come with me? Come on. Why don't you come downstairs with me, you little bird?
Number 4, cauliflower. In cauliflower, there are vitamin B6, C, and K. Number 3, pomegranate. In pomegranate, there are vitamin C and K, and also proteins. Number 2, carrot. Carrot is the second favorite food of my parents that they eat daily. In carrot there are vitamin A, C, B6 and K. And the winner in this list is apple. My parents eat apple every single day. Do you know that in the apple there are 15 vitamins and minerals? But which is important from these 15 is vitamin A, B6, C, E, K, also phosphorus, magnesium, iron, calcium and more. We have seen together the top list of food that my parents prepare. Actually, they are also very healthy for humans, for us. And if you can use it usually, it will be very, very good because they are all very healthy. The next list is dry vegetables and fruits. And on 5th place in this list is hot pepper, hot dry pepper. dry cherry. They like it very much. Number 3. Figs. Dry figs. Number 2. Raisins. Dry grapes. They also like to eat fresh grapes, but they like also raisins. And the winner, the first place in this list is dry banana. Number 1. So here is the top 5 of dry fruit and vegetables that my parrots prefer.